back to my channel. This is your Barbie Chatterjee again, back with you guys. I know I'm posting after a very long period on YouTube. It is because I have been busy with my exams, and also I have been almost posting content regularly on my Instagram, so I couldn't really update you guys on my YouTube. So today I am back with an amazing video. As you can already see by the title, it is going to be my top 5 favorite eyeshadow palettes. So I have been using a lot of eyeshadow palettes since when I started makeup, and I have never made a video as such. So today let's get started. But without this video, do like, share, subscribe, and also check out my Instagram channel because I do post a lot of content over there, a lot of different content which I don't post on YouTube, so you need to check me out there. Are wondering about this makeup look? This will also be up on my Instagram, so now you know why I am telling you to go to my Instagram and also follow me over there. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. First eyeshadow palette we will be talking about is the Makeup Revolution Extra Spice eyeshadow palette. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. If you can see, this has so many beautiful shades in the palette. This one retails for 1950 rupees. I believe I got it for that much price when it had launched back then, and you get around, I guess, 18 eyeshadows in this palette. They do have an older version of this one, but I haven't used that one. And the pigmentation in this palette is amazing. Even if you are a beginner or a professional, you are going to love this. You can build on the pigmentation of these eyeshadows. You can create so many different kind of looks. Of course, this is not a very colorful palette, but you do get your basic shades over here and a few greens over here, so you can really go ahead and play with the palette. Let me show you a little bit of swatches from this palette. So this is how the shades look like. You can see how pigmented these shades are. I really love how these shades, ooh, just look at the pigmentation. Half of the pigments are already there on my hand, so you can tell. The next eyeshadow palette I will be talking about is again by Makeup Revolution. This is their Makeup Revolution X Patricia Brights eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. It again comes in a very metallic kind of packaging, which I absolutely love, and it comes again with a very huge good quality mirror. And this is how all the shades of the palette look like. You get 28 shades in this palette, and this one retails for somewhere around 2,300-ish, I guess. I will be mentioning the prices all on the screen, so you don't need to worry about it. So it has these beautiful set of colors. I really love how the colors are arranged in the palette and how they look. Colors which this palette has and the packaging and everything just attract me so badly. I didn't need an eyeshadow palette, but I was like, driven away by the packaging and by the placement of colors to get this eyeshadow palette. There are so many colorful shades, as you can see, and you can again fold it like this. So there are so many colorful shades. As you can see, you also get in 2 glitters over here, so this is kind of a complete palette. Of course, you don't get one black shade. The black shade is missing, but still this palette has so many beautiful colors. If you want me to create one full beautiful look out of this palette, then let me know and I will do one dedicated video for this one. So here are the swatches, and you can see how beautiful it looks like. Just look at the pigmentation. They have this moussey feel to it. Just look at the pan and you can definitely understand. Shade is tad bit chalky, but you can definitely work with this. This palette is very easy to work with. The shades, the pigmentation of the shade is pretty decent, and you can again build up on the shades. It has a pretty huge mirror. It has a lot of different colors, and the shimmer shades in this palette are also not a disappointing. Palette I will be talking about is the You Can Be Splashy Candies eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. It comes with such a beautiful palette, you guys. I actually got this palette in a PR from You Can Be, and I absolutely love this palette. Just look at how beautiful the packaging itself looks. Here are all the shades. So as you can see, this is a very colorful kind of palette, and you get a lot of different shades in here. There are glitters as well as there are mattes and shimmer shades in this palette. Different kind of glitters which you usually don't get in other palettes. They have kind of these duochromatic glitters in their palette, which I really love, and the pigmentation on this palette is again amazing. This one again retails for around 2000 rupees, and I think it's an amazing product for its price. Let me swatch a few shades for you. So this is how all the 4 shades in the palette look like. Now let me swatch it for you. Wow, this is gorgeous. It's look like, and you can see how they look. They look really gorgeous and are extremely pigmented. Glitter has also specks of blue and greenish kind of glitter into it, like duochromatic blue green kind of glitter, as you can see. Okay, so the next palette I'm going to talk about is the SFR Color Hated with Love eyeshadow palette. You can see how huge this palette is. This one retails for around 750ish or 800 rupees. It actually depends on the different Instagram stores, like from where you are purchasing this eyeshadow palette. And if you want a review of this eyeshadow palette, then you can go ahead and check out. I have already uploaded a review video, a dedicated review video for this eyeshadow palette. So many shades. I guess it has around 60-ish shades, as you can see. So this palette is a combination of glitter, shimmers. This has 5 different type of eyeshadows into it. You can see these are all shimmer eyeshadows, then you also get satin eyeshadows, then you get matte eyeshadows, then you get textured eyeshadows, and then you get duochromatic eyeshadows. Let me tell you which is one. This is a shimmer shadow, a silver kind of shade. Let me swatch one duochromatic shade for you guys. The shade Fantasy Land. Swatch it. This is the shade Cookie Dough. It's a textured kind of shade. This is a shimmer shade, a textured shade. No, this is a shimmer, a duochromatic, textured, and a matte shade. And as you can see, the pigmentation on this is again really amazing. Love this palette for its versatility. The mattes in this palette are slightest like a little bit powdery, but yeah, you can really work with them as a beginner. If you want to try out different colors and you don't want to invest in a very expensive palette, then you can really go ahead. It does contain 6 shades and retail for 125 rupees. And just look at the packaging. How cute is it, isn't it? So let me open the packaging for you guys. So this is what it looks from inside, and it's really convenient for a beginner, as they have also mentioned instructions over here how you can use this eyeshadow palette. And you do get 6 shades in this. There are a lot other variants. I think this palette has been discontinued from SFR's side. I don't really know, but I got this one from Cuffs and Lashes, and the shimmers in this palette, you guys, are so freaking hella pigmented. This pink is a little bit chalky, but the other shimmers are bomb. The mattes in this palette are again really good. I won't say it's amazing, but the mattes in this palette are also really good. I'm going to swatch a few shades again for you guys. I'm gonna swatch. The shimmers in this palette are so reflective, you guys. I'll look at the pigmentation, you guys. This palette is not going to disappoint you, because just look at the shades. Even like, just look at it. This is the most beautiful eyeshadow palette. Like, literally, for the price they are providing you this eyeshadow palette with is literally insane. Like 125 rupees and such good pigmentation, you cannot expect that. Like, I thought I didn't expect good quality in such a cheap and affordable palette, but voila, here we found it. So if you like this video, do like, share, and also comment down below and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, bye bye, take care, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Bye bye.